Hey guys, what is up? It's Mikko here again. And if you don't know what time it is, I can tell you. It's burger time. Let's go and see what ingredients we have today. So first up we have the beef. And remember, it's really important to have 20% fat. Then we have just a normal burger bun, tomato, caramelized onion, I will put the link down below, it's really good. Some butter for the bun, romaine lettuce, and then we will make a burger sauce out of these ingredients. So we have Japanese mayonnaise, it's really nice and creamy, highly recommended. We have ketchup, we have chipotle chili, you can also use chipotle tabasco, then some jalapenos, we have onion powder as well as garlic powder, Dijon mustard and Worcestershire sauce. So this should do it. Let's start with the burger patties. Alright, so we got 400 grams of ground beef, 20% fat. Let's make it halves and make one 200 gram patty. Okay, and we are ready to roll. So let's take a parchment paper and we start forming the patty here. So around 200 grams. Be gentle, you don't want to push it too hard, you want the juices to be able to move freely inside the patty. Alright, so there we are with the patty. Now let's put it in the fridge. Okay, then we start making the sauce. So we start with 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Then 1/4 of a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. 1 tablespoon of ketchup. Wow. 2 teaspoons of this impossible to pronounce sauce, Worcestershire sauce. 1/4 of a teaspoon of garlic powder. 1/4 of a teaspoon of onion powder. 1/4 of a teaspoon also chipotle chili powder. Then we chop in maybe tablespoon of jalapenos. And then we mix. Let's give it a taste. Very good. Then we make a couple of tomato slices. Then let's clean up the table. Now we can butter the buns. Now let's take the patty out of the fridge, as well as some cheddar cheese. Now we will give the patty a little bit of salt and pepper. On both sides. Okay, then let's start cooking this bad boy. So make sure the pan is hot and then add some olive oil and then the meat goes in. don't be afraid of the smoke. It's part of the process and flavor. Then after a few minutes, give it a flip. Very nice color. Okay, now let's build this thing. So we first put the sauce on a bun. Then we take a romaine lettuce, split it in half. Three tomatoes, 3 slices tomaattia. Now the burger patty. Then the onion. Then a little bit more sauce on the top bun. And then we close this thing. And look at this. It's almost well done this time, but it looks amazing. I'm going in. Okay, this burger is ridiculous. It's really basic, but all the ingredients are so well balanced. Big flavor, the sweet onion, the juicy beef, and a little heat from the sauce. It works very well together. Very good burger. I'm sure I will make this recipe again. If you like this burger and would like to see more, please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to push the bell thing. More burgers, more recipes coming up. See you next time.